Tired of travel deals that sound amazing but end up being a total flop? Let's find out if Accor Plus lives up to the hype. First things first, what exactly is Accor Plus? It's a paid membership program offered by Accor, the hotel group with brands like Sofitel, Novotel, and Mercure. Think of it as a loyalty program on steroids. The main perk, a free night stay at a participating Accor hotel each year. This alone can offset a significant portion of the membership fee, especially if you choose a higher-end hotel. Beyond the free night, you'll also get up to 50% off dining at participating hotel restaurants in Asia Pacific. This is huge if you travel a lot and enjoy hotel dining. Accor Plus members also get discounts on hotel room rates, usually around 10% off the best available public rate. It's not always the lowest price possible, so always compare. To maximize value, actively use the dining discounts and free night certificate. If you only travel once a year, it might not be worth it. But for frequent travelers, it can definitely pay off. So, is Accor Plus worth it? It depends on your travel habits. Weigh the cost against the benefits and see if it aligns with your lifestyle. Happy travels!